Not too long ago, having video surveillance equipment installed in your home as a security measure was seen as a drastic, expensive endeavor to take on. Nowadays, with the accessibility and affordability of technology, actually not having some form of video cameras installed seems like an odd decision to make as a homeowner. Advances in technology have allowed for major advancement along with significant reductions in cost in video camera quality, recording capability and importantly affordability. Home surveillance cameras allow homeowners to view their homes at any given time from virtually any location. Installing these surveillance cameras in your house is a smart move for many reasons, and here we have highlighted a few of the most important ones below. Deterring criminals. The mere presence of an outdoor camera can deter criminals, but it's extremely dangerous to rely on dummy cameras because seasoned burglars can typically spot them from a mile away. In most cases, thieves will catch a home before they rob it, and if they spot cameras installed by a professional alarm system, they will most likely abort the burglary attempt. Also, if you are the victim of a burglary, the camera will record the incident and help lead to the capture of the criminal and the hopeful return of your stolen goods. This leads to our next point, adding the police. In the case that a burglary does occur, your professionally installed security cameras will have recorded the incident in high definition. Police can use these videos and images to capture the culprit, prevent future crimes, and return your items. Checking in on the family. Security cameras are not limited to the protection of a home, they can also allow you to check in on your kids while you are at work. Oftentimes, family with a set of working parents find themselves in a predicament when their child gets out of school in the mid-afternoon. With the camera security system, a parent can always check in on their children from work by using the remote monitoring feature of the system. Don't forget the pets. Just as you can check in on your kids using the camera system, you can check on your pets too. Pets are a big part of many people's lives, and it can be stressful to leave them home alone and expensive to pay someone to look after them. With a professionally installed home security camera system, you can check in on how your pets are doing from work. Insurance benefits. After a burglary, you are required to make an insurance claim due to vandalism or theft. This is where a high-definition security camera comes into play. With the footage, you can easily document the incident and validate your insurance claim. Also, a security system can typically lead to discounts on home security of up to 20%. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lord's channel, How to Make Home.